How to fix headset mic not working on Windows 10. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can fix headset mic phone not working on Windows 10. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's go on with the process on how we can fix it. First of all, head over to the Windows section and open up your settings. Just head over to the Windows and you can see the settings at the left corner. Just click on your settings and open up the settings onto your device. After opening up, you just need to scroll down a bit until you're able to see privacy. Just double click on it and open up your privacy of your devices. And on the left side of the screen, you just need to scroll down a bit until you're able to see microphone. Simply go to microphone, and after your microphone is open, just make sure you have turned on this option of on. You can see this toggle option. Make sure to turn it on for your access to microphone. And here you can see built-in apps that you already have on laptop. Make sure to turn it on, and if you want to turn it off, you may just turn it off as well and give access to the built-in one. And these are the added application that you have on your device. Just click on one of the device application and turn on the microphone if you want to give the access. After that, the next thing you can do is just head up to the search bar again and type in control panel. Just type in control panel on your search bar and open it up. Just click on open and open the control panel on your device. After that, you just need to head over to the hardware and sound section. Just double click on it. And when you double click, you'll be able to see hardware and sound on your device. Just go there and go to sound. Just double click on sound and you can see your microphone here. So here you can see your microphone here. What you can do is simply select the microphone on your device here and tap on set it as default and tap on apply and OK. And you should probably fix that. That should probably fix your issue. Otherwise, you may just double click on the microphone and go to levels and adjust it according to your preference and tap on apply and OK. And that should probably fix your issue. So therefore, just follow one of this method and you should be able to fix your issue of your headset not working on Windows 10. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video.